Hey guys, Michael Ronan jumping on today to give you another quick tip. Breaking my fast, so I decided to take a bell pepper and I cracked it open and realized I should do this video for you. So typically what I do, instead of taking a knife and cutting around, you actually just take your thumb, pop in, this will drop through, crack it open. You can pull it out as one whole thing, which allows you to have your guts opened up. So break it in half, open it up like this. This works out well. And a great way to cook a red bell pepper is in coconut oil. And to be able to take, there's different ways to go about it. If you're in a pinch, you don't have a knife, you can just start breaking it into pieces, right? And cook it that way. Another way is you can cut it into sections and then chop it. That's a good way too. Or if you want to do julienne style, hold your knife, put it on the board so you don't cut your hand, chop all the way down. Now you can get quicker at doing this, depends on what you want to do, how you want to do it. Your end result should be uniform. That's julienne style. Again, you can also come through and chop it. Go ahead and cook those up in coconut oil, a little bit of Celtic salt, and you have magic. Get really good at salt and coconut oil and you'll be set. Brussels sprouts, similar thing. Chop off the end. If you're not a big fan of the flavor of Brussels, then just go ahead and chop it down thinner, like so. These nice little slices here, these make great for cutting. If you want to just have it really just blend into whatever you're making, go ahead and cut it again. And if you really want to have it disappear, cut it again, right? Throw that in, saute that up. It'll bring out a beautiful flavor. Remember the coconut oil and salt, maybe throw a little cayenne pepper into that, and you're gonna have a wonderful dish that will be full of flavors. There's a cubed way of doing it. Have fun. Tip of the day.